Science with Ziya. My name is Moziya. I'm gonna make these noodles dance in my science experiment. Acid and base meet and they make gas. This gas is called carbon dioxide. First, I'm gonna fill my flask with vinegar. Let me open it. Next, I'm gonna add the water. Next, I'm gonna add cooked spaghetti. Super cool. It's not even floating.
Okay,
It's
keep going.
sinking. Why is it sinking and not floating?
I don't know.
Ew.
What do you think? Oh, it's a solid, yeah.
It feels like real.
It feels weird?
Yeah, it feels like it's super soft.
Oh, it feels soft?
Yeah, it feels like sticky. Yes.
Yeah? Okay. You put it all in there? Very cool.
That's super cool.
Just got a little bit left, don't you?
Now that add all the noodles, so now I'm gonna put the tablespoon of baking soda in.
What's happening?
So good.
It's exploding, isn't it?
Now I'm gonna add another spoon of baking soda and see if the noodles dance.
What are the noodles doing?
Dancing.
Are they moving? They are moving a little bit. Oh yeah! They're coming up, aren't they?
The noodles are dancing because he put vinegar in it and baking soda. They're moving a little bit. Thanks for watching.